Hey Triple L crew, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all 2 looks and a mini bun tutorial. Stay tuned and get ready with me. Let me know in the comments which look you like the best. And also there'll be details in the information box. For those of you who've been here for a while, you know that I wrap my ponytail holder around my ponytail versus taking it through the ponytail. So that's what I'm doing right now. You will need to have the ponytail into 3 different sections of about equal amount of locks. And you're going to twist each of the 3 sections. Secure it with a rubber band and keep twisting. I think this works best for me and anyone else who has locks similar to mine, where your locks are not all the same length, but you want a bun. You don't have to do too much tucking in. So doing the twist helps me to achieve that look. And as you'll see, I didn't have to use any pins. So if your hair is medium to long length, you should be able to achieve this without any pins. If your hair is shorter, of course, you're going to need some bobby pins. So I basically look for where I can tuck the twist in and still make a pretty balanced looking bun. This could be adjusted as you see fit if you're trying this bun style. Alright, so this top one, because I kind of wanted my twist to kind of stack in my bun. As I said, the ends of my locks are all different lengths, so of course I need to hide that. So I want to either put it in the back or in the center versus in the front. So now you tuck in any loose locks that you see. This is the finished bun. Half up, half down. Half up, half down. Typically works for me because I have so many locks. Now I'm getting ready to do a very quick light face. I'm putting on some concealer that's pretty much my skin tone. Very light coverage. It will even look like I don't have much on at all. And that is the goal. I'm getting these lashes right, my natural lashes, and putting on a little lip liner before I put on my lip gloss. I am loving these earrings. My cousin let me borrow these for this look, and these earrings look so good to me. And they work really well with the shoes you're going to see in a later part of this video. Okay, honey, this is look 1. Did it give what you thought it was going to give? Let me know in the comments if you like the look. Now for the shoes, I love the rhinestone detail, the clear straps, and the iridescent back part where the heel is. They're really comfortable. They're not too high. Definitely can walk around in these and feel comfortable. I received these shoes from Tinstree. There's going to be a discount coupon in the information box below. Check them out. They have really affordable shoes, all different designs, from sandals to heels to sneakers. Let's get into the second look. You can never go wrong with a black dress. This one has pockets. For the shoes, we have some black heels with gold chains. And these heels I received from Tinstree as well. Very low heel, so very comfortable to walk around in. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember to keep it fly, keep it fabulous, and I will see your beautiful faces in the next video. Peace.